Hey guys, it's your girl TinekeIman and I'm back with another video. If you're new, hi, why don't you subscribe? So with today's video, I'm using the It's My Ray palette. So if we open it up, you know, so this is what it looks like. So it's 15 eyeshadows and it has 3 highlighters and 3 contour colors. The reason why I bought this is because she has another palette that just came out with BH Cosmetics. This is actually her first palette. I don't know when this came out. It's £23. I ordered it on like a Tuesday, I think, and it came like on the Friday or Thursday. I can't remember, but it came really fast, like in 2-3 days. So it came really fast. Watched her video of her new palette and I was like, oh, that looks really nice, but before I get the new palette I should really try the first one. I bought the first one and I really like it. It was really nice. So I'm gonna get her second one and I'll probably do a video on that one soon. But if you like this look, you know, keep watching. Let's go. I played around already and I don't know what eye look this is, but you know, this is what I came up with. And this is the It's My Ray palette. I've done my eyebrows, as you can see, and my eyes are primed with concealer. So I'm going to start with Tiffany, so this colour here, and put that on my outer crease and outer corner. Next I went in with Fairy Tale. It's like a warm purpley mauve sort of colour, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner and just blend that in. So I'm just blending that into Tiffany, you know, Tiffany and Fairy Tale. I have a Fairy Tale Tiffany. And then for my lid and my outer corner, I'm going to go in with, oh, I said all the wrong colours, you know, I was looking at the bottom row. So first I actually went in with Sunset. This is Sunset. And then it was Friday. And now I'm going to go in with Connie. So this is like the darker purple. So we're going to put Connie on my lower outer corner and my lid. And just blend that up into my first colour, which was Sunset. So I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but not that much. But I don't mind because I haven't got anything on my face, so it's okay. I'm just going to blend that in. I'm just going to go back in with Sunset and just blend that in. So I've used concealer and done like a small cut crease with my LA Girl concealer. And I'm going to go in with Passion. So this is this purple sparkly here on like a flat brush. I haven't used any setting spray on it, so hopefully hopefully picks up. It did pick up. So we're just going to layer that on. Now my cut creases are not the cleanest, but oh well. Now I'm just going to layer that on a little bit more just to get the sparkle out. Just to see that shimmer a little bit more. And then I wanted to make the inside just a little bit lighter. So I've just used a smaller brush and I'm going to go in with Allison. So it's like a rose gold colour. I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of the lid. Go back to my purple just to blend that in. And then I'm just going to blend the outer corner out again with Passion. And blend it all together with Sunset. So now I'm going to move on to my base. But before we start, I just want to, you know, spend a moment just say R.I.P Nipsey. Like, that, I've never had a celebrity death like hit me so hard. Like the whole week I've been upset. Like they've been in my prayers like every single day. Like Lauren, all of his everyone, his kids, all of his family, all his loved ones. Like seeing all like the gangs in LA like all coming together for him. All of the artists, like I think it was YG, Cash Doll, Pushback, like releases of their music this week. Just in honour of Nipsey, like just R.I.P Nip. Like I don't want to spend too much time on it because I don't want to get upset, but he was a good guy, like more than a good guy, man. But R.I.P Hustle man. So my face is all primed, and I'm just gonna try and put my foundation on today with a brush because I want to see how it looks. Also, don't judge my nails because I'm going on holiday soon and I'm just trying to wait it out before I get my credits on. So, you know, no judgment zone. Put my foundation on with my brush, and then I'm probably gonna use my beauty blender, you know, just to smooth it out. But Star, who watched Star this week? So most importantly, let's just get right to the point, you know. So obviously Noah's back on the pills and caused a fire, putting his little baby Davis in danger. Sorry, I'm finding it hard to, you know, concentrate with a brush, but putting baby Davis in danger. But I'm so proud that Simone has stepped up. Like, it's given her something because she's been fighting for Angel, and now she's obviously fighting for Star, fighting for baby Davis. So Simone's stepped up and is going to take care of Davis. So Noah's just a whole mess. And then we've got Alex. So Alex proposed to, what's his name? What's Quincy's name? Anyway, Alex proposed to Quincy. I'm just going to say Quincy because I can't. Derek, that's his name. It came to me. So Alex proposed to Derek. Like, I did not see that one coming. Like if you did see that coming, because I didn't. I was like, whoa, okay there. Like, slow your roll, Alex. Slow your roll. But it was cute. But, like, she proposed. Like, would you ever propose to your man? Or, like, if there's any guys watching this, would you mind if your woman, like, if your girl proposed to you? Personally, I don't think I could do it. I don't know. Personally, I don't think I could do it. I don't know if I have the courage, or, you know, I don't know. Or I just want my man to propose to me. But like this video if you got some women empowerment, like, if you would propose to your man. But I was like, whoa, I did not see that coming. And Miss Carlotta is back. She is back and she is ready to go. I'm just going to use this just to smooth that out, because sometimes I feel like I see brush strokes if I use the brush. So I'm just going to let this sink in. Xander is dead, and I like the way Cassie did it. Like, Cassie didn't have to kill him. All she had to do is tell him, like, what she did, and then obviously he did it himself. So it's not, the blood's kind of not on her hands. Like, she doesn't have to worry about getting found out. I kind of like it. It's sitting quite nice. So I just mixed my Fenty with my Maybelline. That's why I had 2 shades on. And this is just my Fenty sponge. But also with Star, like, is cotton like Captain Save-A-Ho? Because, like, sorry, excuse my language, but, like, after seeing that girl, now they've all come to Calm at the back door wanting Cotton's help. Like she ain't Captain Save-A-Ho. My Too Faced concealer. So I've kind of gone for a super light under eye look today, as you can see. But again, like, blending out that concealer, like, I actually love blending out this contour. Like, this is so nice, guys. You need to get it. It is so nice. So this is the Makeup Revolution powder, and instead of baking, I'm just gonna press it in. I'm gonna really set, because I feel like my under eye has been creasing a lot lately. Like, my under eye has been creasing a lot lately, so I'm gonna really press in the powder just to set my under eye instead of baking. So I'm gonna dab it. I've got it in like a little, old phone case. I'm dabbing it in and then pressing it, so taking some of the excess off. And then setting it, like, pressing it in. And then I'm gonna use the the Ray palette again. I'm going to use her Mocha for to do my contour. So I'm just going to use the Mocha one just to set my contour. I'm going to start off with a little bit. And then to set all over, we're just going to go with my Laura Mercier powder. Just dust her off. And we didn't get any on my top. Use that same Mocha just to contour my nose. As you can see, you know, lashes are on. I've done my mascara and I smoked out my under eye. And to keep with the pink vibes, you know, because it's spring, we're going to use my Fenty. You can't see that Fenty Beauty. This is in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And talking about Fenty, so Rihanna had like a party for loads of like influencers in London for the launch of the bronzers, and my faves Jackie and Alyssa were there. Like, I'm so proud of Alyssa because she's like been a genuine supporter of Fenty like from the beginning. Like, Alyssa is like Fenty Beauty and she does like her macro Mondays and it's mostly Fenty products. Like, she loves Fenty, and for her to now, she met Rihanna. Man, I was looking at the snaps, I was like, wow, like they were doing karaoke with Rihanna and playing beer pong with her. Like, man, I wish I was there. That was so cool. And I was in London. But anyway, and I'm going to mix them both actually, but we're going to use a Ginger Binge first. And we're going to put that just on the cheekbone, just like that. Just so it sits and sinks in. See, look how you can't really see it because it like just sits in sits in the skin, and then when you turn, you just, you know, see a peek of it. So I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm literally just using the edge of this like fluffy brush. And now I'm going to go into Moscow Mule. This one's more shimmery. And just add that a bit more to go up. So again, it sinks into the skin and then you just see a pop of it when you turn to the side, girl. Hey, 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 I see you. That's what I like about the Fenty Beauty. That's what I like about highlighters, when Alyssa says it as well, but I know what she's talking about. Like, when you don't, like, it's not just sitting on, like, it's not like a layer. Like, you just see it from all angles. Like, okay, like, you can see, oh, she looks nice. And then when she turns, you see that extra pow, you know, shine bright like a what? Diamond. Before we go into our lipstick, like, not even lipstick, you know me, lip gloss. It might be a stripes over checks things, because, you know, Beyonce's bringing Ivy Park out in Adidas. You know, she's making a collection with Adidas, you know, coming up with some trainers. So, because we all know Ivy Park, like, she broke ways with Topshop. So, there's only, like, bits left in Topshop, but it's no longer on the website. So, I think, if I'm correct, she's relaunching Ivy Park through Adidas, but also working with Adidas on some other things as well. So, you know, he might be a stripes over checks. Like, I know it was checks over stripes, but we might have to go that Adidas way. Say it like an American. Why do y'all say Adidas? Like, it's Adidas. Like, Adidas. And it's Nike, not Nike. It's Nike. But anyway, I'm just going to quickly finish off this look with my lips. I'm just going to do like a clear gloss. Like, I don't even want too much on the lips because I just like how it is. So we're just going to use this lip gloss here. And we're going to go with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk just to put on top, just to add a little sparkle. Just add that little, you know, 3D sparkle. You need a spray, girl. You need a spray. So we're going to go with the NYX that's basically finished. And then my Morphe. Guys, it's finished. I need some more. Because both of them are finished, we're going to layer this one. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I got 3 setting sprays on. This better stay. And here we have, you know, my finished little springtime-ish look using my Ray Ray palette. This was £23 on Beauty Bay. And this top that I have on, it's like just a long sleeve, you know, orange top. This is from Topshop. I got it in like the last chance or last chance to buy section. And it was like £10. If you're new and you enjoyed this video, I hope you subscribed, and I'll see everyone in my next video. So you know, next video's right there. Subscribe right there.
Embrace the only life we know. If it was me, I'd tell you, nigga, live your life and grow. I tell you, finish where we started, reach them heights, you know. And gas the V12 to the pipe and smoke. I was riding around in the